In this tutorial video, you will be learning how to use the AI tools to create unlimited AI generated artwork for free. Whether you are an artist looking for new ways to express yourself or simply interested in the power of AI technology, this tutorial is sure to inspire you. So come along and join us on this creative journey. Hi there, let's head towards bluewillow.ai. This is probably the most similar AI art generator to Midjourney. You need to just enter the text, it will generate art for you, just like Midjourney. And the most important, it's totally free. No initial credits, it's 100% free. How it works? Just 3 simple steps. Join the Discord, go to our Rocky channel, receive your image. Okay, well, click on Join the Beta. As you did in the Midjourney, it will redirect us to the Discord. Accept invite. Now we have joined the Discord server. Select the language. Just finished. Go left, you will see rookies here. Join one of them. As you have seen, newbies in the Midjourney. Here you can see how people are generating different images. These are really amazing. Let's enter the prompt. A portrait of 18 years old girl with black hair. It's working. You have got the result. This is the result what we got. So let's go and try it by yourself and let the world see your imagination with Blue Willow. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.